After my last ahi recipe, I received requests for more fish recipes and grilled cheese recipes. Did they dare me to combine the two? This is the result. A mouth-watering seafood recipe that you won't be able to resist. I'm sharing the tips and tricks to make this the best grilled cheese ever. Let's dive right in. To start off, you'll need fresh ahi tuna, seasoned with a perfect blend of spices. I sliced the ahi tuna steak to make it thinner for cooking and spread it evenly across the future grilled cheese. Dust it with some spice, which I used the same spice blend for my previous Chili's Grill and Bar ahi tuna sandwich video. I will leave a link in the description and at the end of this video. Set that ahi that's seasoned aside. One trick is this flavor enhancer to the grilled cheese sandwich. I'm making a relatively fast roasted red pepper and garlic mayo. Also considered a roasted red pepper aioli if you aren't too particular. I used peeled garlic cloves, putting them on some foil with some oil, and roast them in the oven at 191 Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit. While they are in the oven, I mince and roast a red bell pepper. This is one I roasted earlier and froze. To roast a pepper, just brush it with oil and roast it in the oven also at 191 Celsius or 375 Fahrenheit until the skin blisters. Then seed and peel the pepper. Put half of a roasted bell pepper minced in a bowl with 60 milliliters or a quarter cup of mayo, 5 milliliters or a teaspoon of salt, 2.5 milliliters or a half teaspoon pepper, and the juice of a half lemon, and mix it. Hold it for use in a little bit. Get a couple of nice thick slices of tomato. Then butter one side of 2 slices of sourdough bread. Are you hanging in there? We're about to start cooking. I test the garlic after about 40 minutes. If yours are mushy like mine, they're ready for the next step. Mash the garlic, removing the burnt little parts that were on the bottom of that foil pack. Then add the roasted garlic to the red bell pepper and mayo blend and mix it in. Taste it and adjust it if it needs it. Otherwise, it's time to start cooking. Grill the seasoned tuna on each side for a moment until it reaches that perfect medium rare doneness. Then, after a quick saute with some butter, I set it aside for the next step. Let's go ahead and grill the bread, adding a nice crunch and texture to our sandwich. Add some thick slices of Tillamook Swiss and Tillamook cheddar. Here's another trick. I break the corners off the cheese so it doesn't melt over the edges. Those corners can be put into the center for more cheesiness or eaten as a snack while you're cooking. Layer the tomatoes on, creating a vibrant and refreshing foundation, and place the warm ahi on the other half. The last ingredient is a generous layer of the zesty roasted red bell pepper aioli on the grilled ahi tuna steak. Finally, when the sourdough is golden and crispy, I can turn one side onto the other. If one side needs a little longer to reach that perfect goldenness, just let it continue cooking for a moment. The whole time the grilled cheese has been on a medium-low heat to allow the cheese to melt while the sourdough doesn't burn. I accepted the dare and made this recipe. It looks amazing. Now I must try it. With a cut down the center, it's time to evaluate this ahi grilled cheese to see if it's bursting with flavors. It isn't a perfect sandwich unless you're taking a bite and the sauce drips down the back of your arm. The sauce is finger looking good. I love it and have to move to the groove. Is this recipe everything you thought it should be? What do you think? Let me know in the comments. It's a seafood delight and perfect for lunch or dinner, and is incredibly satisfying. Serve it up with a side of crispy fries or a refreshing salad for a complete meal. Thanks for watching this recipe. I hope that you enjoyed it. Subscribe for more delicious and easy recipes. New craveable recipes are released each Sunday. Let me know in the comments what other recipes you want to see me make. You never know how I'll combine them. Then watch this recipe over here. It's one of my recipes that YouTube seems to think is perfect for you. I appreciate the time you have taken to watch to the end. I'm gonna just keep enjoying this delicious grilled cheese. Dance on, and thank you.